My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. I worked at IRS over a decade. I've been in tax resolution for, I don't know, 4 decades. It's a better way than saying 40 years. It sounds so old. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTubes are short. They're sweet, to the point. I don't waste a lot of time. Anyway, what I like to do is, oh, by the way, if you need representation or you need to ask questions, I've worked thousands of cases, so don't get all caught up with how you get out of an IRS problem. I can help you with that. Anyway, I want to talk to you today about how does a revenue officer, an IRS agent, work their case if you owe back taxes. You need to know that. So as a former revenue officer myself, I would get what would call a TDA back in the day. It's account history transcript that you owe X amount of dollars. So how, in fact, would I work that case? Well, you need to know I know a lot more about you than you think. So that case comes into my inventory, and for the next hour, I'm just on my computer gathering about this much information on you. If I know where the first place I go to Google. I start Googling you, use all the search engines, find out a lot about you, your businesses, what you do, things about you don't know, looking for assets, maybe Facebook, do you have a boat, what sort of car you have. I'm all over the internet searching you, so already I have a pretty good idea of what's going on in your head at the time. Next, I go ahead and pull your tax returns if I want for the last 6 years. See what sort of income you have, your interest income, mortgage interest, partnerships you have, business accounts, everything. I know a lot about you for 6 years. I'll pull your wage and income reports, find out where you got money, where mortgage interest was, and then it really gets interesting. I go ahead and search LexisNexis, the search engine called Accurate. Accurate has a whole bunch of information, financial information for law enforcement sector. You can't get that information as an agent I could get. I know everything about you. I know criminal things, civil things, things about you would never think that were on the report. You can try to pull your own Accurate up, but you won't get the one law enforcement uses. Next, I will try to call the State Department, see if there's information on their computer, look at your passport, travel, look at foreign bank accounts, maybe even pull your credit cards up, find out what you're buying, what your average bill is, what you're paying monthly. If I want to get nasty, I'll go ahead and pull your bank statements up, see what's going on for the last 3, 4, 5, 6 years. If I want to get really nasty, I'll go ahead and subpoena your last financial statement you turned into a bank institution for credit. Find out what you put on there, what you didn't put on there. Then I'd go and find out about your homeowner's policy. You have extra things on there. Do you have guns? Do you have extra businesses on there? Do you have other partnerships? Do you have relationships going on with other business entities or not? Within an hour, I can gather more information than you will know about yourself. So if you want to know where IRS gets their information, sitting right on their computer screen, right on the different profiles, they can access you, your tax returns, passports, all that information. Before I even go over and knock on your door, I know more information about you than you know about yourself. So don't try to fool IRS. They could fill your financial statement out for them. So whatever you do, don't lie to them. But there's good defenses that you set up, and that's why you call former IRS agents to help you through that mess. If you have a simple case, go work it yourself. If you don't, you better get a hold of somebody who knows what they're doing. I try to pull back the curtain of IRS and show you what's really goes on inside. How about giving me a subscription if you would? Apparently YouTube thinks subscriptions are big, so I need them to rise up in their rankings. If not, I wouldn't care. Anyway, you can leave me a comment, call me with an observation, a question. I answer all my questions at the end of the week. You need representation, we are the firm to go to. Thank you very much, and don't forget the subscription. Thank you.